My name is Alex Deakin. I'm a weather presenter, a meteorologist and a climate communicator, and I work here at the Met Office. My main role is communicating the weather. Will it be sunny tomorrow? Will it be rainy? Is it going to be cold next week? Are we going to see any snow this winter? So that's my main job, and it's not just about doing weather presentations with a map behind me, it's about communicating right across social media, so making weather graphics to explain what's going on with the weather, but also telling people about interesting things to do with the weather, what rainbows are made of, what are the different types of clouds. So my education started at school in Yorkshire, and I did GCSEs. Then I moved on to A-levels. My 3 A-levels were maths, physics and biology, and then I went to university and studied physics with astrophysics. When I left university, I wanted to look for a job or a career where I could still use my background that I'd done for the past 4 years, and meteorology just kind of fell into my lap. It was absolutely perfect for that. It was a new science that I could learn. So continue to push myself, but also use those skills that I'd picked up from my A-levels and from university. I use maths all the time in my job across myriad different disciplines. About 100 yards that way is one of the most powerful supercomputers on the planet, so we leave all the maths to that now because it does 14,000 trillion calculations every second. So we don't have to do the hard maths, we let the supercomputer do the hard work. It's all about that interpretation now, but you have to have that basic understanding to understand what the supercomputer is generating for it all to make sense, to be able to communicate that to the public. I think one of the biggest challenges facing the world is climate change. So I think that's one thing that we can really focus on in the coming years, the coming decades. It's a big problem that we need to solve. So I think it's down to the next generation to kind of save the world, if you like, and it's all going to be done around projections, modelling, interpreting, coming up with solutions around climate change, and much of that you're going to need maths. So I really think the next generation who are coming through studying maths, studying science, can really actually save the planet and help us with this climate change crisis that we're in. And maths and science is really going to be a part of finding solutions to all the problems in the world.